we have to graph a linear inequality. First, we will rewrite our inequality in slope-intercept form. It means I have to move everything to the right side. Only y will be on the left, is greater than or equals, and negative we have, so will be now positive 3.5x plus 3.5. First, we have to draw the boundary line. Boundary line will be y is equal 3.5x plus 3.5. Because we have here inequality x is greater than or equals, it means that this line belongs to our solution. Next, we have positive coefficient before x, so a slope is positive. It means our graph of our function is going up. We know that this is the graph of this function is straight line, and coefficient without x, this is our b, is 3.5. So the y-intercept is 0, 3.5. And we have y-intercept. Now we have to find x-intercept. So for y we will put 0. So we have to substitute y by 0 to our equation. So we have 0 is equal 3.5x plus 3.5. Now I will move 3.5x to the left side, so we have negative 3.5x is equal 3.5. Now we will divide both sides by 3.5, negative 3.5. So we can reduce, and we have x is equal negative 1. So we have x-intercept point negative 1, 0. Now we will draw xy plane. We have points 0, so we have to choose unit 1, negative 1, 0, 3.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, so will be here is 0, 3.5, and we have point negative 1, 0. Like I said, because we have positive coefficient before x, so our function is going up, and we have inequality symbol greater than or equals, so we have to draw straight line because this line belongs to our solution, and to choose which half of plane we have to shade. We always choose the easiest point is 0, 0, and we will check if this point belongs to our inequality. We have inequality y is greater than or equals 3.5x plus 3.5. Now we will substitute x by 0 and y by 0. This is our x coordinate and y coordinate. So we have 0 is greater than or equals 3.5 times 0 plus 3.5. So we have 0 is greater than or equals 3.5 is not true. It means that point 0, 0 does not belong to our solution. So it means we have to shade the other part. This half of plane belongs to our solution. This is my solution.